Hey guys, and welcome back. So in today's video I'm going to be unboxing this vacuum insulated tumbler. It is a 30 ounce. It comes with a straw. This is stainless steel, double-walled travel coffee mug. Alright, so right here we have our vacuum insulated tumbler. This is a stainless steel 304. It is a 30 ounce, 890 milliliters. This one has a double wall, leak-proof sealed, heat preservation, and it's safe and healthy. So they do offer in several different colors. They've got black, green, purple, and white. So I did get the purple color. So if you're looking for a nice coffee mug or just something to bring with you for water, it is totally insulated with a double wall vacuum technology. It also comes with a straw with this, so you can use a straw or you can use it without. This is durable and safe. The tumbler is made of high quality food grade stainless steel with a high level PS lid, which is lead for spill free, proof free, it's break resistant, and you can enjoy very long service. You can see right here, this is the rubber. So if you don't want to use this and you want a straw to put it in there, just move that sideways. It should turn sideways. Just bear with me, I have to just move it over here to sideways. It's got a large enough for traveling, 30 ounces capacity, which is long enough for daily use and traveling. You can fill this up and forget about it. So right here is the straw. It goes right in here just like that. You can move this to the side, or if you do not want to use a straw, you can actually drink it from the cup itself. So this one is a super nice cup, and I'm glad that it does have 30 ounces because I drink a lot of coffee, and this one right here does a really good job of putting a lot. So this cup right here is not a pop off. You can't pull off like this. You actually have to twist it sideways because it is a twisty to take off. So we're just going to twist it right here. You can see that it's got the rivets right here to twist, so it's not a pop top, it's just a twisty top. And then this is with a rubber on the bottom, which helps it from leaking. So this one you cannot take off, it just moves around. So if you want to cover the hole, all you got to do is move it over and then push in the little rubber part, and it should automatically close right here, making this waterproof. So this one is super nice. It is high quality. You can definitely tell. I like iced coffees, or water. So this should give me enough. You can see that it is stainless steel on the inside. It's got the rivets on the inside. It's really nice. This one here, I did get the purple, but they do also offer it in black, white, and green. So if you're looking for a nice big tumbler, I would highly recommend checking this one out. This one does give you 30 ounces of liquid that you can put in here. It is heat and cool resistant. You get the top and you get a straw. I would definitely say check this one out.